So I just got done doing a pop-up and it was very slow. We made about 3 sales. If you haven't seen that vlog, check it out. I'm gonna have a link in the description box. But I want to teach you guys how to maximize your time when you're doing an event like this. So yeah, let's jump into this video. So my first tip is to create content or promo in a sense. So this is perfect for anybody who is a YouTuber. If you're not, if you have a business, you should be on posting on Instagram or actually on all social media platforms. So if a pop-up is doing bad, this is the perfect time for you to take advantage of creating your own promo. So for example, for me, of course I'm vlogging on my camera for YouTube, but on my phone I would create some kind of video or something, make posts on Instagram, create some TikTok videos. Like, let me show you guys what I just uploaded. The video that I did today, I'm gonna post it right here for you guys to check it out. So I posted it on TikTok and then I'm gonna save it and then I upload it on all other social media platforms. Instagram, which is my favorite thing to post on. I'm gonna do a story, I'm gonna do a Snapchat, I'll do it everywhere just to post it for people to see what we have, see what I'm doing. You know, it's good content and you have to be consistent. So I will create some posts. I'll be wearing my surroundings too, I'm sorry. This is a little different for me. Usually I'm in my room when I do these videos. But anyway, so I will show people, oh my god, I can't speak. So I'll show pictures of what I'm doing or what I'm wearing, but all I have today that's from the store is my hat, bourgeois, you guys can see. I'm just making posts. Now my second tip is to go live. Now I love going on live, especially on TikTok, because it's so easy to grow when you on live on TikTok. But I just got banned today, so that's another story. But anyway, I suggest you go on live. If you're not on TikTok, go on live on YouTube or go on live on Instagram. It's all, you know, it's always good to build your brand, and going on live is a perfect way to do that. And so another way where you can maximize your time at a pop-up that is slow is interact with your fellow vendors, or even if you do have customers, but anyway, but interact with other people, get to know them, exchange social media. That's how you can grow your account and get to know them, and also people know other events to do as well. So that's an excellent way to actually build as well. Another thing you can do is jot down ideas for your future pop-ups or ideas to improve your pop-up. It's a perfect way to manifest. So that is it on my tips on how to maximize your time when you're doing an event that is small or you're not making any sales. I know it's very discouraging, but I always say do not pack up until the last person leaves, because you would never know. It might be a large crowd that end up coming, or somebody just want to support you just because they see you there all day. And that happened to me. Like, people see me there and they hustling, they were like just wanting to support, just want to give me something. So always leave and when the last person leaves. That's just my thing, and never pack up early. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I'm trying to upload videos every day because somebody said that I'm not posting enough, so I'm gonna try. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. It's just too soon. I didn't bring a clothing rack, so yeah, I'm gonna make the best of it. I'm just gonna put this on her. So this is our last one that we have. It's so big and it's so cute. And we got this little baby one. It's so cute.
Wait for me, so what? Yes, baby, the moss lady in this motherfucker. Look. Huh? Come down here and buy some of this sea moss for me. Come on, Ashley, let's go show you.
Alright.
It's a whole party down the street.
Alright guys, so we're about to see what's going on down here. Okay. Running back to you. So I'm moving it up a little bit. Hopefully people can see us back here. So of course I got banned again off of TikTok, and it's something I didn't do. Somebody else was talking about, they were saying I guess some vulgar words on my live, and I got banned. So check her out, but if I have enough money, girl, I'm gonna come back. Okay. This is cute. Pop up next month. It's a day party. It has 20 other vendors. This is what they don't tell you about doing pop-ups, and it was just sitting around waiting for customers. Because right now it is slow. We made one sale so far, so I'm good. How are you? Yeah, I'm just sitting around. Well, I should be standing, but I'm sitting down for a minute. My phone is charging. But yeah, it is slow. I'm about to make some content right now, but I'm trying to think about what I want to do. I know I want to do like some promotions for our stuff, but I'm like, I don't know. Made another sale, so it's 2 so far. This better? I guess we're gonna have to work with this. Okay, so the pop-up event, whatever you want to call it, is over. It's 5:33. I'm waiting for my mom, and then we're gonna head to the store. We have a pop-up on Tuesday. I was talking about it earlier. Did I mention it? I don't know. I think on my last vlog I talked about this event that's going on Tuesday. We're bartending. Well, my mom's gonna be my bar back, but we're bartending and we're providing the liquor, so we had to stock up for that. So we're gonna do that today. My makeup looks horrible. So today was a slow event. I wasn't on vlog me packing up, but this guy, he's cool. He's on my live today, and I got banned on live anyway. But he was like, he feels that I'm not a hustler. He feel like the reason why he don't feel like I'm a hustler is because I don't talk to every person or hound them to make a sale or come inside my my area. I don't know why my eye is like this. Hold on, sorry guys. Now I understand what he was saying. So basically the whole time while I was trying to pack up, he was trying to scoot. What happens to the light? I don't know what's wrong with my camera. The light keeps going in and out. Hopefully when I edit it, it doesn't do that. Okay. Anyway, the whole time he was telling me what I need to do, how I need to improve my business, and basically telling me why I don't have customers. We're making sales, and I don't know, first I think he was trying to help me, but it was kind of getting annoying, and he was saying how he know I'm not making money online. I don't know how he assumes that, whatever. And then he was saying how I dress, and he said I need to get dressed up. He was giving me like a lot of stuff. Some of his stuff were like valid points, and some I would probably just like ignore. I don't know, but yeah, I let him talk. It is so hot. I don't have any more water neither. So yeah, anyway, and since another thing, I'll probably do a separate video. I want to talk about like small events like this when I didn't make any. Well, I don't want to lie, I said make any money. I made about 3 sales today. So events like this, I try to take advantage of it. Since I didn't make as much money as I projected, like in my head I wanted to make a certain amount of number, but it's fine because I have content that I'm about to post for YouTube and TikTok, so that's a plus in my book. And basically I want to do a video and teach people how to like maximize your time when you do a pop-up, or I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but in my head it sounded like it would work. I don't know if I'll get views, but I feel like it's a lot more people doing pop-ups now. Ever since the pandemic, there's been so many pop-up marketplaces. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm a mess. It's been like pop-up marketplaces and all that. So this guy I'm dating just texted me. And another thing, a guy was trying to talk to me. Now, I want to talk about this, about the guys here, up here. Well, period. Okay. Before the guy I'm trying to talk to me today, I'm talking about the previous encounters I have with guys. It makes me a little skeptical of dating anyone from like that area where I just left, or in general when I meet guys doing vending. Now, the guy that I met when I did vending a couple months ago, so you see how it is today where cars can drive up. Usually they have blockage where cars cannot, but today every Saturday it's like anybody can just drive up, whatever. So keep that back in your mind. So this particular day it was like this. Let's do this ambulance go, because you know I'm getting hungry too. Okay, there you go. So I had to wait till the ambulance leave. So anyway, it was the same day like this. A guy, he was handsome, brother. He came to me, to my little area, was talking. I knew he wasn't trying to buy anything. So he got my number, but then the whole thing, like, he was trying to brag about how he's driving a Tesla, and it seemed like he was like trying to talk down on me just because what I'm doing as in the pop-up. He thinks like I'm broke, or I'm stupid for some reason. Like how he was talking to me, that's how it came off to me. And I'm like, and I really feel like he's just judging me because what I'm doing. But little did he know, I have you know, I'm a hustler, I'm an entrepreneur. I do a lot of stuff more than just doing these pop-ups. And then the thing is, that's not even the first time a guy like thought I didn't have any money because I was doing this. It was another guy too. And I just feel like every time a guy tries to talk to me, it's like they have a bad perception already just because I'm doing a pop-up. Little did he know, like, I'm doing more than that. You know what I mean? Like, other vendors there, they just doing it. This is their job. This is like, me and my mom have an online business, but this is a way for us to get sales and get content and all that. So, I don't know. But anyway, I don't like that feeling. So, this guy today who's trying to talk to me, he's in a different boat. I don't know. I just want to be friends. If he, like, I don't want to go on any dates with him. And it's because, it's a long story. I don't know if I should address it on here because he do watch some of my YouTube videos. Well, he says he watched my YouTube videos. A lot of people say they watch my videos. I don't believe it until they start reciting stuff that I say. Because if you watch my vlogs, I say certain stuff I do say, and I repeat it, like my favorite catchphrases. And some people who do watch my videos repeats it. Like, I be hearing them when they see me hear them, they will say the same, repeat what I be saying. It's so funny, and it shows me that, oh my god, you really do watch my videos. But anyway, he claimed he watched some of my videos. But anyway, let me respond to this guy I went on a date with the other day.